If you're looking for a very affordable yet very quality tripod slash selfie stick, so this video is for you. So this selfie stick is from TikTok shop and it is a very nice build. So matibay siya guys. It has a hard plastic build, so pwede din siyang dalhin sa labas at pwede din siyang gamitin as selfie stick as you can see in the video. So napakahaba din niya with 100 centimeters height. So actually mas mataas pa nga siya kaysa sa akin. Sana all. And paano naman siya gamitin? So hilahin nyo lang yung sa baba. Meron siyang tatlong paa. So tripod nga, diba? So tripod. And also meron din siyang Bluetooth remote shutter. If gusto nyo mag-take ng pictures from afar, connect nyo lang siya via Bluetooth. At it's blinking now because hindi siya connected. And napakasulit din itong tripod na to kasi meron din siyang mini ring light. So if you're taking videos or shooting in low light, pwede siyang gamitin. So just click the yellow basket to order guys. So napakasulit itong tripod na to. And yun lang. Thank you.